Hey families, Miss Tap here with a quick how-to video of creating a virtual background. We have lots of reasons behind this. Number one, they're a blast. But really to get down into it, we are noticing a ton of our students hiding behind the images you see on your screen. When they log into their team's classes, we're only seeing these pictures. As a teacher, we don't know if your student is actively engaged or if your student's asleep. Could be either one these days. So we want to make sure that we are going to really start suggesting your students turn on those cameras. An engaged student, a participating student is the successful student, and we want to make sure to show them how to do so and keep their homes private. I want to show you guys on the screen, if I turn on my camera, I look like I'm in the Oval Office. Not the case. I'm actually sitting at home on my couch. So I wanted to show you guys that easily you can see nothing behind me. You can't even see that there's a dog right here. So I wanted to show you guys the beauty of being able to do these virtual backgrounds. Not only are they just add a little bit of fun and you can bring some personality into them, but they also keep your homes private. So no concerns for somebody walking in the background. And then I wanted to show you guys as well, you can always turn that microphone off. That means your student won't be interacting with that background noise from others, but can quickly unmute and give their answers. So the way you want to do this is your student's going to join their Schoology Live classes just like normal, but make sure that video camera is turned on before they enter. So you're going to select this icon right here. It looks like a small, tiny little person. So select that icon there and you'll see that background images appears on your right. So I personally like to add a little bit of my own personality into these. I am definitely a Harry Potter fan, so I've uploaded some Harry Potter for me. But like I said, you can always go back to the Oval Office and then even hang out with T-Rex. So there's all kinds of options. The beauty of this is if you don't like the stock photos they've given you, download a background from Google. So save that image to your computer. If you don't like these stock photos, I can click through these all day. Don't have to do any extra work. But if your student wants to have a little personality, you can select this Add New button. And then it pulls up a window for you to add any images that you have saved to your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one, and you can see it wouldn't allow me. There's sometimes some size issues, so that is the easiest way to do those. If you can't get one to work, just choose one of the stock photos, or even just blur out your background. Still can see a little bit of your home, but it's always an option. Or use one of the stock photos. Not a bad beach scene. But just wanted to show you guys how to do this. So again, all you have to do is select the small icon right here in the center before they actually enter their classes. They will have to have selected the link and opened the Teams app. But you're simply going to select that icon, and I can make my way even into the movies. Good luck, guys. Have a great night. Hope this helps.